Hello viewers, this is SKTV and you're watching Afternoon English News. First, the headlines. Lamlai MLA Kumbantabam Ibomcha assures to stand with people of Manipur, pins hope on centre's effort to restore peace in Manipur. And Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh vows action against drug dealers, says anyone involved in drug cases, be it civil or police officials, will not be spared. And now the news in detail. Lamlai constituency MLA KH Ibomsa has categorically stated that BJP Manipur Pradesh and BJP legislators will not remain silent and respond befittingly in case centre works on any design that undermines the integrity of the state. He was speaking on the sidelines of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign organized by BJP Lamlai Mandal in connection with the 78th Independence Day celebration. The rally, which kicked off from the MLA's residence at Nongada, was also participated by many key post holders of BJP Manipur Pradesh, including its Vice President N. Nimbus. Speaking further, Ibomcha asserted that the central government is trying their best towards bringing normalcy in the state, adding that people are enduring untold miseries despite the centre's relentless effort as it takes time to restore normalcy. He went on to state that BJP legislators are not in hurry to form a popular government in the state despite having majority numbers, as the prevailing situation is not conducive for doing so, but rather prioritize on restoring peace and normalcy. While asserting that the central government is doing many good things for the state, including implementation of ILP system, border fencing, supporting the Manipur government's initiatives of conserving reserve forests and identification of illegal immigrants in the state, the MLA maintained that the works carried out by the central government does not arise any point of incongruity and dissatisfaction to the people of the state as of now. Decrying that some people are spreading false rumors about central government endorsing construction of separate roads for Kuki people, Ibomcha expressed confidence that the same government will not do any unlawful things in the state.
India government na ujiksi Manipur da leiba violence solution porong na bidemukta seriously tawai aba thabak punamuk laukhali koi ima isa kaina ba yaroi daba Manipur da hana ki punna leirakpa hujiksu leimina daba yaroi daba mayam ma yauri ba sena ba adu yam complicated loiba aduna madugumba mayam leibiduna matam khara lawba geni wani everything will be brought under law. German loan khade amma khangde law na yaba khai adum leini law na yadam khai amta leiroi Manipur ki BJP ki party aduga khoi MLA leiri sing se akhoi India gi damuktani first ko aduga ani subada akhoi gi state sigi damuktane state sigi people sing da sokadaba state sida sokadaba do or agadi kanano oirga su modi na haro jo khoi yaro.
Director General of Police Rajiv Singh has issued strong warning against individuals, including government officials, who are involved in drug-related cases. The statement was made while speaking on the sideline of Har Ghar Tiranga bike rally event, which was organized by Manipur Police Department in connection with the upcoming 79th Independence Day celebration. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Security Advisor Chief Secretary also attended the event, which saw participation from 1,017 bikers from across the state. The bike rally was flagged off from Hatta Kangjebung and culminated at Khongjom War Memorial Complex. Speaking further, DGP Rajiv Singh highlighted the steps that have been taken up to tackle drugs in Manipur and entire Northeast. While expressing seriousness on the fight against drugs, DGP Rajiv Singh said people found in drug cases will not be spared, whether they are civilians or government officials. DGP Rajiv Singh also lauded the participants in bike rally, which was organized to honor freedom fighters who made sacrifices for the nation.
This rally will go up till Khongjom. It is a recognition and remembrance of our sacrifices over the so many years for our country, and we all are energized by the thoughts of serving the country time and again. Drug menace is one of the banes which are in not only affecting Manipur but the entire northeast. And all the states are doing their bit. We are also trying, and the seizures etc. have increased, obviously because there was some law and order issues earlier. So not much emphasis could be given to this. But we are very, very strict and we are very categorical and very clear that anybody and any person, whether it is a policeman or whether it is a civilian who is involved in all this drug, because it concerns the future of the youth, the generations, future generations of the state and the country, and we will be absolutely ruthless in dealing with this, whether it be criminals, whether it be people who are not supposed to do all this. So let me make it clear that the fight against drugs will go on irrespective of who is involved.
Spokesperson of Tribal Youth Council Manipur, Ningreishang Zimik, has urged youth to use social media with responsibility while also taking advantage of all its benefits. Ningreishang Zimik was speaking on the sideline of International Youth Day cum Legal Awareness Program, which was jointly organized by Tribal Youth Council Manipur, TYCM, Tarung Youth Club, Manipur State Legal Services Authority Masalsa, and District Legal Services Authority Imphal West at Community Hall in Tarun today. HOD of Electrical Engineering Department, NIT Manipur, Associate Professor Dr. Benjamin A. Shimre, Officer in charge of Manipur Fire Service Senapati District Branch, Zhanghingham Gonmei, Social Worker Wingreyo Ningshin, and DSP of Cybercrime attended the program that was held on the theme Youth Empowerment for a Sustainable Future. Speaking further, Ningreishang Zimik stressed on the importance of elders to guide the youths towards right path. While expressing concerns on the influence of social media on youths, Ningreishang Zimik said organizing such legal awareness programs can help youth understand the ramification for misuse of social media and on the topic of cybercrime.
Manipur si report ni haibu yai. Ako computer kari so awareness late. Asik ba madam sida. Asuk ba kholai ako bu pisibel se. Ako yam tension liye. Aduna abuse, drug abuse. Ako ye sukumba media, sukumba electronics media si abuse tawu se. Aduna yam ako bu yam kutong thiba thank you dore. Aduna asikumba se prevent dawni ngai. Adukumba awareness yawe. Aduna ay hiding ba na. Ako ye youth se. Ako ye leba ke youth se. Ako lomda. Jahan dingai se.
International Youth Day was observed today at the Community Hall of Hairok Part 2, Litan on the theme Local Youth Actions for the SDGs and Beyond. The event was jointly organized by Chingdompok Ideal Top Youth Club, Hairok Part 2, Litan, Hairok Development Club, Hairok Part 3, Lamlong Mari Phangba, Fine Society, Hairok Part 2, Bazar Mamang, Divine Life Club, Hairok Part 2, Mayalekai, and Youth Development Club, Hairok Part 3, Litan Wangma. Speaking at the event, social scientist Dr. Dhanabi Lashram highlighted the crucial role of youths in shaping a brighter future for Manipur. He also emphasized the importance of imparting quality education to the youths and making societal contribution. Dhanabi then asked the parents and guardians to teach disciplines and good behaviors while nurturing their children. Meitei Tribe Union MMTU has lauded Rajya Sabha MP Sanajauba Leshemba for urging the government to identify illegal immigrants first before conducting census survey and delimitation in Manipur. In a press release issued by its organization secretary Takilambam Parijat, MMTU raised alarm for possible annihilation of indigenous people in the state if the indigenous people, political leaders and political parties do not make a concerted effort towards curbing the menace of illegal immigrants in the state by leaving aside their differences. Further highlighting the relentless demand of Meitei for restoration of their ST status under Article 342(1) of the Indian Constitution, MMTU expressed satisfaction over MP Sanajauba Leshemba highlighting incorrect census report of 2001 and 2011 at the ongoing parliament session. It also remarked that the proposal to conduct census and delimitation exercise in the state only after deportation of illegal immigrants from Myanmar and Bangladesh as a right step. MMTO then appealed to the CSOs, political parties and all concerned to support the campaign for deportation of illegal immigrants and restoration of Meitei Meitei in ST status, which are being spearheaded by MMTU. Directorate of Health Services, State Health Society and National Health Mission, Manipur, jointly organized the state-level launching of World Breastfeeding Week 2025 during a program that was held at the IMA Hall in Lamphel today. The program was held on the theme Prioritize Breastfeeding, Create Sustainable Support Systems. The event saw participation of Health Services Director Dr. Chambo Gonmai, Family Welfare Services Director Dr. N. Hemant Kumar, Health Services Additional Director Dr. Bino, among others. Speaking on the occasion, Health Services Director Dr. Chambo Gonmai emphasized the need to breastfeed infants for up to 6 months for their optimum health while discouraging feeding solid foods to the newborns after a month. He further said that though introducing nutritious food to infants after 6 months is a good practice, they need to be breastfed for up to 2 years for their best health and to improve their immunity. He credited the lower rate of premature infant deaths in Manipur to the best practices adopted by mothers, adding that breastfeeding not only nourishes the baby but also protects the mothers from various unknown diseases.
Yung sida mama ga angang gi damak special way na hygienic way na thamme ba asi si yam bhavane ti si koi gina yengsin gi da ba care lo da bi se yam na phajana na tawri bisina infant mortality rate se yam na han the me hai na no hai ne da ko mokai ye cha ba ta gi so ji de awareness yam la khram ne na wai ja chinja ki ba khot pa taw gi so yam checksin na taw gi ojik ti angang si ba hai bi se yam na han thak adana so let us celebrate this breastfeeding week. Aduga mimyam dasu mimyam khangwa miyam chingna sandukyo hai.
And we're now heading into a small break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Skate broadband service na miyam gi damak kudong saba kya puduna laksari. High speed internet service ke tuan plan sing laser 450 plan da 200 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel Sunny Yankai Hena amasung SKTV gi OTT panbigani. 550 plan da 300 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel Sunny Yankai Hena amasung SKTV gi OTT panbigani. 700 plan da 500 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel Sunny Yankai Hena amasung SKTV gi OTT panbigani. 850 plan da unlimited 100 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel Sohum Yankai Hena OTT da SKTV, Z5 amadi atai OTT tara mari pangbigani. 1000 plan da unlimited 125 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, channel Sohum Yankai Hena OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sonelif amadi atai OTT tara mari pangbigani. 1300 plan da unlimited 150 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, free IP box, channel Samri Yankai Hena OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sonelif, Zio Hotstar amadi atai OTT tara mari pangbigani. 1800 plan da unlimited 200 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, free IP box, channel Samra Yankai Hena OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sonelif, Zio Hotstar, Lionsgate Play amadi atai OTT tara mari pangbigani. 2500 plan da unlimited 300 Mbps speed Wi-Fi, IPTV, free IP box, Channel Samanga Yankai Hena, OTT da SKTV, Z5, Sony Live, Geo Hotstar, Lionsgate Play Amadi Atai OTT Taramari Fondigani. Customer request ETV Win, Hoisoi Natraga, Sun NXT Su, Lobby Yagani. Akupa Marul Gidamak, Kaisampat Junction Deliva, Sk Office Natraga, Sangai Pumang Lekai Deliva, SKTV Officer Lapiu, Mobile number Sing 8974 633 320 Natraga 8974 209 152 the call to Pasu Yagani. Skate.
Welcome back, and in further news, IAS officer Hungyo Warshang has been appointed as a chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes. The appointment was made by Manipur Governor and was informed through an order issued by Additional Chief Secretary, Tribal Affairs and Hills, Anurag Bajpai, yesterday. As per the order, Hungyo Warshang has been nominated as the chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes in addition to his present charge in pursuance of Section 32A of Manipur State Commission for Scheduled Tribes Act 2014. It may be mentioned that various organizations have been demanding for the appointment of a chairperson for the commission from a very long time. Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata has extended greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Patriots Day. In his press note, Speaker Satyabrata honored the courage and sacrifice of Yuvraj Bir Tikendrajit and Thangal General during Anglo-Manipuri War in 1891. He called upon the people of Manipur to uphold the spirit of resilience and deepen our connection as a united Manipur. Thanga Assembly Constituency MLA T. Robindra Singh also extended greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Patriots Day, paying tribute to the brave patriots who laid down their lives in Anglo-Manipur War of 1891 to protect the state's land, culture and freedom. In his press note, MLA Robindra mentioned that their courage and unity laid the foundation for peace and progress that we enjoy today. He called on the public to honor the legacy of our forefathers, not just on Patriots Day, but every day by striving for unity, peace and prosperity. Outlawed group Alliance for Socialist Unity Kanglei Park Asok has announced a total shutdown from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. on August 15th, boycotting Independence Day celebrations. In a press note, Asok Publicity Committee Convener S. Mangal stated that the group does not recognize Manipur's merger with Indian Union on October 15, 1949 and described the observance as a colonial imposition. The release alleged that the present challenges faced by the state, including recent ethnic violence, are part of continued oppression, stating that the present conflict only affirms this fact. What used to be oppression carried out using AFSPA has now been replaced by endless ethnic violence by raising a proxy army from the community of foreign origins. Furthermore, it mentioned that if this continues, indigenous communities will be annihilated forever. Asok urged the public to refrain from participating in the celebrations, calling the Bandh a form of passive resistance, and to try to remember our true history in order to revive liberated consciousness. The shutdown will be relaxed for emergency services. Federation of Haumi has paid tribute to the brave forefathers who sacrificed their lives to protect the freedom of Manipur. In a press note released by Federation of Haumi President Sapamcha Jadumani, it stated that Manipur was once a nation of Southeast Asia that has existed for hundreds of years. Neighboring countries had attempted to annex Manipur on several occasions. However, the brave forefathers defended the land and the people by showing exemplary courage and fighting spirit. Referring to the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891, Jadumani said, "Our forefathers fought the British despite knowing defeat was imminent and laid down their lives for the Manipur." Senapati District Students Association has extended the ongoing data collection drive for the non-locals on non-indigenous residents of the district till August 31st. A public notice issued by the Students Association further directed all concerns to come and do the needful at the office premises, failing which appropriate action shall be initiated against the defaulters starting September 1st, 2025. And that is all we have for now. But before we end, here are the headlines once again. Lamlai MLA Khumbantabam Ibomcha assures to stand with people of Manipur, pins hope on centre's effort to restore peace in Manipur. And Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh vows action against drug dealers, says anyone involved in drug cases, be it civil or police officials, will not be spared. And that's the end of this bulletin. But for latest news updates, keep watching SKTV.